In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work with text in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the text element and drag it onto your page wherever you want your content to appear. Click inside the text box and start typing your content. You can add headings, paragraphs, or any other text you want to display on your website. Use the formatting toolbar to customize your text. You can make text bold, italic, or underlined, change the font size, adjust the text color, and choose the alignment. You can also create bulleted or numbered lists to organize your content. To add a hyperlink, highlight the text you want to link, click the link icon, and enter the destination URL or choose another page on your website. If you need to remove formatting, use the Remove Formatting option. You can also use the Undo and Redo buttons to quickly reverse or restore recent changes. Preview your page to make sure your text looks the way you want. When you're finished, click Publish to save your changes and update your live website. That's how to work with text in Weebly. Thanks for watching.